In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add triple top chart pattern in TradingView Pro. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open for the market you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a forex pair, crypto, or any other asset. It's best if you're on a time frame where patterns are easier to spot, like the 1 hour, 4 hour, or daily chart, but you can use any time frame you prefer. On your chart, look towards the right-hand side panel or the top toolbar where your indicators and tools are usually located. What we want to do first is open the technicals section. This is where TradingView groups a lot of its automated tools that can help you quickly analyze what's happening on your chart. Go ahead and click on Technicals. When you do this, you'll see a panel or menu appear with different categories related to technical analysis. Inside this Technicals area, look for the section labeled Patterns. Patterns are tools that help you automatically detect common chart formations like double tops, head and shoulders. And of course, the triple top pattern we're focusing on in this video. Click on Patterns to expand that section. Once it's open, you'll see a list of available pattern types that TradingView can highlight for you. Now, from that list, find the triple top pattern option. The triple top is a bearish reversal pattern, which means it often appears after a price has been in an uptrend and is starting to show signs of weakening. It forms when price tests a resistance level 3 separate times but fails to break above it convincingly. Selecting this tool tells TradingView to scan your chart for that specific structure. Go ahead and click on triple top pattern. After you've selected it, give TradingView a moment to process. You should start to see any detected triple tops highlighted directly on your chart. Depending on your settings and the asset you're looking at, not every chart will have a triple top, and that's completely normal. When one does appear, take the time to zoom in, look at where the highs form, where the neckline or support level is, and how price reacts around that area. This will help you understand not just what the pattern looks like, but how it behaves in real time. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet, and you want access to these types of pattern tools, use the link in my description to sign up. Once you're set up, repeat these same steps and you'll be able to quickly add and view the triple top pattern on any chart you're